Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hotdogcast Garage, and today we're going to open up some Hot Wheels Ferraris. Today's first Ferrari is a 2002 first edition Ferrari P4 race car. Next, we have a black Ferrari 348 with a tan interior. This one is a black Ferrari 355 with yellow windows and a yellow interior. Here we have one of my favorites. It's a silver Ferrari 355 Challenge race car. And our last Ferrari for today is a 2004 first edition tuned 360 Modena. So there we have 5 awesome Hot Wheels Ferrari vehicles. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. And if you want to see me open up more Hot Wheels cars, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.